Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first what we're going to do is we're going to clean our charging port with a non-metallic tool. So you grab something like a soft brush, make sure to use something that is not metallic. So for an example, I'll use a SIM tray opener. Now, do not use anything metallic like that because it can only damage the port even more. So use something soft like a soft brush. Microfiber cloth won't do the job here because you have to get to the, let's say, insides of the microphone port and you need to give it a deep clean. Now, moving on, you guys can test your mic in a voice recorder app or just by calling somebody and seeing if they hear you. So here you guys have all the apps. Now go over to tools and here you will have the recorder. So you guys can either use the recorder or call up somebody using the phone app or any other app that supports the call system. So here we click now, we can see our microphone is moving, we can see the sound. Now I'll stop talking and it's not moving. So that's how we know our microphone is definitely working. But if yours isn't, then what you guys can do is restart the phone. So you guys can restart the phone by holding the power button and keep on holding it until you guys see the menu appear. Now press restart and tap to restart the device. So I'll see you guys once the device is fully restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is check for software updates because they also can have your microphone not working. So if you're running an old software and you haven't updated in a while, then that might be the issue. So go over to the settings. Now in the settings, scroll down until you guys see system and updates and select the software update. After that, it will start checking for updates, and as you guys can see, my software is up to date. I'm running the 15.0.0 version, but if you're not, then I recommend you guys updating it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.